Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be making puff puff. Here we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 sachet of active dry yeast, or 2 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon. And here I'm using the all-purpose flour. This is what I use. You can use any flour of your choice. In the bowl here I have warm water. I'll go ahead pour the active dry yeast. I'll be testing this yeast to make sure it's good for the mixture. I'll mix everything to combine. Mix everything to combine. You see the bubbles up shows that your yeast is good. It's good, and it will make your puff puff rise. So I'll go ahead and add salt, add sugar, give a quick mix so the sugar and the salt can dissolve. Next I'll add my flour, give a quick mix, give that good stir. You have to make sure you mix your puff puff real good so it will be smooth. You want to have that nice smooth texture. When mixing your puff puff, it shouldn't be too thick nor too light. I'm using a spatula. You can also use your hands to do your mixture, or you can use a spatula as well. I'm going to be mixing this for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. To make sure it's smooth, it's well smooth. So yeah, this is the texture we want from our puff puff. So this is the texture. So at this point now, I'll be using aluminum foil paper to cover this and let it rise. You can use paper wrap as well, or you can use a lid. I'm using aluminum foil because it will produce some heat and enable it rise real fast. After which I'll be leaving this for an hour to rise before I start frying. I'll just set this at the side. After everything, I'm gonna set this at the side and let it rise. Guys, our puff puff is ready to be fried. Our puff puff is ready to be fried, guys. So at this point we have the oil on the stove on medium heat. You don't want your oil to be too hot, or to be too hot or not hot at all. Your oil should be hot enough to be able to fry the puff puff. So I'll just go ahead and start the frying. You see the oil is hot enough. I'm scooping this cotton in the oil. You don't want to overcrowd your puff puff too. Frequently stir your puff puff, turn the sides, turn them side by side, because you don't want it to get burned on the other side. You want it to be cooked evenly. You have to make sure you turn it more often. And your stove should be on medium heat, not high. If not, it's gonna burn outside and the inside will still be raw. Our puff puff is almost ready. So at this point, we want to make sure we constantly turn it. Guys, our puff puff is ready. See how delicious it looks. This looks so delicious, guys. Go try it and you will definitely love it. Follow the recipe step by step and you definitely love it. See how nice. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. This tastes so good. mm. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.